ServSafe Chapter 6 Exam Questions. When partially cooking food for later service, what is the maximum amount of time that the food can be heated during the initial cooking step? 60 minutes. A food handler pulled a hotel pan of tuna salad from the cooler and used it to prepare 6 tuna salad sandwiches. What is the problem with this situation? Time temperature abuse. A food handler is reheating commercially processed cheese sticks, which will be hot held on a buffet. What temperature must the cheese sticks be reheated to? 135 degrees Fahrenheit 57 degrees Celsius. Ground pork. 155 degrees Fahrenheit 68 degrees Celsius. Chicken enchiladas made with previously cooked chicken. 165 degrees Fahrenheit 74 degrees Celsius. What temperature must TCS food be reheated to if it will be hot held? 165 degrees Fahrenheit 74 degrees Celsius for 15 seconds. Broccoli cooked in a microwave oven that will be hot held. 135 degrees Fahrenheit 57 degrees Celsius. What is the maximum water temperature allowed when thawing food under running water? 70 degrees Fahrenheit 21 degrees Celsius. Ostrich fillet. 155 degrees Fahrenheit 68 degrees Celsius. A food handler thaws several frozen turkeys on a prep table. What is the danger that this poses to the food? Time temperature abuse. Pork loin injected with marinade. 155 degrees Fahrenheit 68 degrees Celsius. A food handler can cool a stockpot of clam chowder by placing it into a sink of ice water. To preserve food by smoking it. Make sure you contact your local regulatory authority to get a variance. What can occur if prep tables are not cleaned and sanitized between uses? Cross-contamination. What is the minimum internal cooking temperature for eggs that will be hot held for service? 155 degrees Fahrenheit 68 degrees Celsius for 15 seconds. Which food should not be offered on a children's menu? A rare hamburger, fried chicken tenders, grilled cheese sandwich, or spaghetti with meat sauce? Rare hamburger. Lamb chops. 145 degrees Fahrenheit 63 degrees Celsius. To thaw frozen food. Place the item in a cooler which keeps it at 41 degrees Fahrenheit 5 degrees Celsius or lower. What is the minimum internal cooking temperature for stuffed pork? 165 degrees Fahrenheit 74 degrees Celsius for 15 seconds. Pasta. 135 degrees Fahrenheit 57 degrees Celsius. Eggs for immediate service. 145 degrees Fahrenheit 63 degrees Celsius. What must food handlers do to food immediately after thawing it in the microwave oven? Cook it. Ravioli stuffed with cheese. 165 degrees Fahrenheit 74 degrees Celsius. Buffalo steak, commercially raised buffalo. 145 degrees Fahrenheit 63 degrees Celsius. Duck. 165 degrees Fahrenheit 74 degrees Celsius. When using pulled eggs. Cook them promptly after mixing, or store them at 41 degrees Fahrenheit 5 degrees Celsius or lower. Salmon steak. 145 degrees Fahrenheit 63 degrees Celsius. Roasted vegetables that will be hot held. 135 degrees Fahrenheit 57 degrees Celsius. When using leftovers of TCS food to make salads, make sure to throw out leftovers held at 41 degrees Fahrenheit 5 degrees Celsius or lower after 7 days. Wild rice that will be hot held. 135 degrees Fahrenheit 57 degrees Celsius. Beef steak. 145 degrees Fahrenheit 63 degrees Celsius. What is the minimum internal cooking temperature for eggs, meat, poultry, and seafood cooked in a microwave oven? 165 degrees Fahrenheit 74 degrees Celsius.